measurement functions in Cyclone 2 Topo. The data set we'll be working on is available in the samples directory, so you can follow along. So you can open here and then go to the sample directory under Cyclone 2 Topo under samples and then pick Dealey Plaza. Okay, just load that in. I'm going to zoom in here. There's some points that are already loaded here, survey points. So let's pick our select tool, left drag out of box, let go, and hit the delete key, get rid of them. We're going to go to our free rotate mode and get into a area where we have a better view. And then for measurements, a lot of them anyways, it's good for perspective. It gives you better perspective. Okay, so we need to get to the measurement activity pane. And you can go up to Tools, and we're going to start out with measuring a distance. Okay, and then it comes up with Measure Distance Activity pane. So you can select what to measure: actual distance, which is a slope, or distance in a plane. That's your horizontals, basically. And then height difference there gives you the vertical height, and this is all based on the points, whether it's the z difference or an xyz difference. So to start off, let's just start with the slope distance, and then it says how to measure. There's a couple different ways here, and I'm just going to illustrate to show you. So we want you to pick a first point, so we can just go ahead and draw a I'm going to go out just a little bit here. We can draw a line, let's say from that tree to the top here, and that's just a slope. Okay. Now we can do a chain of continuous measurements also. Like we can start here, go down here, go up here, and we'll just keep on giving measurements. So this is good if you want to know the measurements around a building or something like that. You can always hit the reset button. Also, here's your distances that it gives in the actual distance, distance in plane, height difference. So it gives you all of these, but the main graphical information given is what you selected, which is actual. So you can press reset. Also, of course, you can go under Tools, Options, and you can set your, let's say we wanted to switch to US survey feet, and we wanted our decimal digits to be maybe 2. Okay. So the next one is distance in plane. So the highlighted distance is what we're going to get. So we can just pick a point on like the road here, and then pick this point here. Okay, so it's giving you the vertical distance, the horizontal distance right here, directly based off the z between the two picks. So at the bottom here, you can also see that your actual distance is given, as well as your height is 96 feet. Again, the display, this is what controls what is displayed. So if we went to hit reset again, and we can go to height difference, and then do the same measurement, but this is kind of nice. You can measure to the top of the building, and then you can right away get distance based off this z and the height of the building. So this is quite nice. You can just pick here again, pick here again. It's good to just pull off some nice heights, vertical heights. If you push these buttons, it'll copy the information to the clipboard. And there's another type of measurement that allows you to do some kind of radial type measuring. Let's say that this was an important thing to measure to here, and you wanted to know the distance from this point here. So you can pick measure from the first point. So I'm going to pick this point here, and I want to know the distance of here, the center, and over here. Okay? So this gives you an option of allowing you to do a radial measurement from a single point. You can see me rotating around here. You can draw a rubber band from the cursor's line. That's on by default. I recommend you do that. That's this line being drawn out here. And you can use these in combination. You can fill the whole thing with measurements, or reset after each measurement to start the next one. So that's a measurement function. Very easy to use tool, and it's quite valuable. And make sure to use these different types of measuring as needed. This is probably going to be your most popular one here. So the next type of measurement, and we can close this activity pane. You don't have to, but we can close it. is measuring a diameter. This is a very simple tool, and you can see it has a this cursor is saying it doesn't allow me to measure because I have to be in orthographic projection. So I'm going to switch to orthographic projection, and you can see here that it's drawing out a circle. So you can start one area there. Now typically it's used to do trees, but let's say you wanted to know the circular measurement of this. We can start here and drag it till it kind of matches there, so you can know what the total radius is as well as the circumference. So basically pick and then drag. So you can move your view around, start again, pick, and it's typically used to do, you can really quickly get diameters of light poles or anything circular. Now here's this turret on the top of this building. You can quickly get, then you can zoom in here to get it more accurate. Reset. Press reset here. Pick here, and then drag it till it just fits. And let go of the control, and you'll see here the measurement drawn out for you. So very easy tools available under Tools, Measure, Distance, and Diameter.